First question, how much amount is allocated for PSP recapitalization? Answer is 20,000 crore. Second question, what is the disinvestment target for the year 2022? Answer is 1.75 lakh crore. Third question, how much amount is allocated for MSME this year? Answer is 15,700 crore. Fourth question, NRIs to be spared from double taxation. New rules to be notified. Tax audit limit increased from rupees 5 crore to rupees dash crore. Answer is rupees 10 crore. Fifth question, the permissible limit of foreign direct investment has been raised from 49% to dash in the insurance sector. The budget 2021 paves the way for foreign ownership and control in the insurance sector with safeguards. How much FDI is increased? Answer 74%. Sixth question, which company's IPO will be launched in 2021-2022 as a part of government's disinvestment strategy? Answer is Life Insurance Corporation LIC. Seventh question, as per Union Budget 2021, the fiscal deficit is estimated to how much percent of GDP? Answer is 9.5%. Eighth question, Budget for 2021-2022 announced voluntary vehicle scrapping policy to phase out old and polluting vehicles. After how many years fitness of commercial vehicles will be checked for the same? Answer is 15 years. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has announced voluntary vehicle scrapping policy. Vehicles to undergo fitness test, which is 20 years for passenger vehicles and 15 years for commercial vehicles. Please note it is 20 years for passenger vehicles and 15 years for commercial vehicles. Question number 9. What is the age limit for senior citizens who are abolished from the need to file IT returns? Answer is above 75 years, that is super senior citizens. Question number 10. As per the budget, which of the following has been designated as a regulatory for gold exchanges? Answer is SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India. 11th question, as per the budget, 1.97 lakh crore is allocated in the next 5 years for the PLI scheme. 13 sectors to create and nurture manufacturing global champions for Atmanirbhar Bharat. What does L refers to in PLI? It is linked. Answer is linked. 12th question, how much amount is allocated for the agriculture and rural sector for the year 2021-2022? Answer is 16.5 lakh crore. 13th question, as per budget, the government aims to reach a fiscal deficit below 4.5% by the year dash. For the year 2025 to 2026, answer. Question number 14. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced setting up a DFI. What does F refers to in DFI? Answer, financial. Full form is Development Financial Institution. Last question. The reopening time limit for direct tax assessment has been reduced to how many years from the current 6 years? Answer is 3 years. Thank you, friend.